Are your Telegram downloads painfully slow or just refusing to start? Whether you're on Android or iPhone, this video will show you exactly how to speed up your Telegram downloads instantly. Now here's the catch. This method only works if you follow every step carefully, no skipping. I've tested this on multiple devices, and if you're tired of files stuck at 0%, videos buffering forever, or Telegram just not downloading anything, this is your solution. Make sure to watch till the very end, because I'll walk you through hidden settings most people ignore, and those are what truly make the difference. First, open your App Store or Play Store and update the Telegram app. Without the latest version, these settings might not even show up, so this step is crucial. Now that your app is updated, go ahead and open Telegram. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. If you're on Android, tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Next, tap on Storage Usage and hit Clear Entire Cache. Why this matters? Clearing the cache removes old files that can block or slow down new downloads. Go back to Data and Storage and tap on Mobile Data. Scroll down to Auto Download Media and enable it. Then set the quality to high. Why this matters? Telegram deprioritizes downloads on low quality or restricted mobile settings. Switching to high unlocks smoother downloads. Now tap on Videos. You'll see options like Contacts, Private Chats, Group Chats, and Channels. If the video you want is from a channel, toggle on Only Channel and turn off the rest. If it's from a group, toggle on Only Group. This prevents Telegram from wasting data on other areas, boosting download speed. Under this, locate maximum video file size and crank it up to the highest limit. Also, turn on Preload larger videos. Repeat the same steps under the Files section. Select the correct source, group, channel, or private chat. Toggle off what you don't need and set the max file size to the highest. This is key for large files, zipped folders, or anything over 100 megabytes. Now return to the main data and storage screen and tap on Using Wi-Fi. Here, do the exact same setup. Enable Auto Download Media, set it to high quality. Choose the right media type and source, then maximize the file size. Why this matters? Even on Wi-Fi, Telegram won't download anything unless you explicitly allow it. Once you've done all this, cleared your cache, set auto download rules for both mobile and Wi-Fi, and picked the right media sources, Telegram will finally have no restrictions stopping your downloads. You should immediately see a difference. Smoother, faster, and more reliable file downloads. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and tell me what kind of files you were finally able to download after fixing it. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.